Alex here.
Steph's here.
And today we have what? A Reese's Blizzard. Reese's Cup Outrageous Blizzard. It's a long name, so she hates peanut butter, as you guys know, for the ones who do know. So, yeah, Steph, start us off.
Oh, and you want me to start it off?
Start us off, yeah. I'm gonna get you some good. She loves this stuff. There you go. Hey, open up.
Oh, disgusting.
Disgusting?
God, no.
Oh. Hey, fear factor for her.
Ugh, fudge. This is giving me fucking Wiener Schnitzel, Nutter Butter shake vibes. Ugh.
I like it. It's lit, boo. That was big. Like many Reese's Cup pieces in it.
That's gross.
And some chocolate pieces in it. Don't disrespect the Reese's. It did nothing.
Gross. It did everything to me.
Nothing at all.
Very gross. Sorry guys, I'm getting distracted again. Looks like this person is about to hit the car with this door. He's just swinging it all the way open.
No, big. He's a big fella.
Ugh. Anyways.
What would you rate it, Steph?
Fucking 0. I don't like peanut butter.
Well, for the Reese's peanut butter cup people out there, you get your money's worth of Reese's. This is
I'm the wrong person to ask.
If you want something that tastes like Reese's, this is this.
Blah.
Reese's, whatever you want to call it, it's this.
That's
and
not
they did
it.
do the Blizzard flip. They did it upside down, but right now it's melting, so we can't do it.
Yeah, unless we want a big mess in the car.
But my first Blizzard, so.
Oh, that's so sad. My first Blizzard, and it's that. Oh.
Poor Steph.
That's gross.
I rated a for tasting like a Reese's 8.59 out of 10.
My rate should just be void.
No, she shouldn't even get a say. So. Here, one more.
No,
one more lick for the fans. One more.
Yeah.
Even the ice cream, huh?
The whole thing just tastes like peanut butter. It's disgusting.
Disrespectful. I think it tastes delicious. Delicious.
Disgusting.
Anyways, I'm Alex.
I'm Steph.
This is what the food.
As in, what the did I just eat? It's
literally.
disgusting.
Subscribe, like, comment, all that good
All
stuff.
that.
We out.
Bye.
Bye.